Hello everyone, my name is Parminder Kaur. Welcome to my channel IELTS at Ease. Today's cue card is talk about a journey that did not go as planned. You have to say where you went, when you went, who was with you, explain why you dislike the journey. So our answer is I love traveling. So I have visited various places in my own country over the years and most of these journeys turned out to be excellent. However, if I have to talk about one journey that was quite disappointing for me, I would say that it happened a couple of years ago. I vividly remember my friends and I decided to visit Shimla, which is a famous tourist place in India. It is situated in Himachal Pradesh. This place is known for its winter sports since the area receives a lot of snow during the winter. Therefore, not only people from my country but also the foreigners love to go there to enjoy the beauty of the nature. As planned, we started our journey early in the morning and went there by our own car. As soon as we reached there, I was astonished to see the beauty of that place because it was beyond our expectations. We booked a hotel to stay. The view from the balcony was magnificent. We could not wait to explore all famous tourist attractions of that place. We had various plans to enjoy there. Unfortunately, one of my friends got sick. He had never experienced such kind of cold weather, so his body could not withstand extreme cold. We took him to the hospital. Despite of the good treatment, the medicines failed to improve his health. Then the doctor advised us to take our friend back to home. That time, all my hopes were dashed because we had many plans to enjoy. But we all knew that his health is more important than anything else. So, without wasting our time, we all returned to home. That was the journey which was ruined and did not go as planned. But I was proud of my decision to come back to home for the sake of my friend because I loved my friend from the bottom of my heart. Now we will discuss some follow up questions with answers. The first question is, are there any special places for visiting in India? The answer is definitely. India has numerous places to visit. On the one hand, there are many historical places such as Golden Temple, Red Fort, and Taj Mahal, which is one of the seven wonders of the world. On the other hand, it has some places of natural beauty like Rose Garden, Sukhna Lake, and hill stations, and so on. The second question is, do Indian people like to travel abroad? The answer is yes, they love to explore international countries. Whenever they have time, they prefer to go abroad instead of visiting indigenous places. Earlier, it was difficult, but now, as there are many airlines, individuals find it easier to travel abroad. The third question is, what can people benefit from traveling? The answer is, traveling has a number of benefits for the people. Firstly, they are more likely to improve their knowledge as they get first hand information about the culture and traditions of the other people. Secondly, traveling assists them to gain more confidence and presence of mind. When people explore new area, they cope with the obstacles which improves their confidence level. It also refreshes their mind due to which individuals can be able to concentrate on their work properly. Our fourth question is, do you like to travel alone or with others? The answer is, it depends. If I have to visit nearby places, then I don't mind traveling alone. However, on the long distances, I prefer to have either my family or friends with me because it makes me feel safe and secure. The next question is, do you like to visit popular places or less known places? The answer is, I love to visit popular places, of course. I believe that there must be a particular reason behind its popularity. So when I go to such places, I feel happy because those places are really worth watching. Also, popular places have all the facilities for the visitors. So I like to visit famous places instead of going to less known areas. Our sixth question is, what kinds of problems do people face when they go on a long trip? The answer is, well, people can face distinct problems. Some face the issue of language and culture, while others can have the problem of food and weather. Also, I know many persons whose health gets affected owing to the long journeys. They have to take medicines to avoid such issues. So, there are a number of problems that people confront.